Well, happy Friday, everyone. Another weekend is upon us, and we do have some precipitation in the forecast, especially for Sunday. And we did kind of squeak out a not half bad day in parts of southern New England for a while today, anyway. The clouds have been thickening up the last few hours, but for a while, especially in portions of Connecticut, we had this little sliver where it was fairly sunny, just some high clouds, though the clouds thickened up much earlier in parts of eastern and central New England and also back to the southwest. That is in response to an approaching slug of moisture that we can see on the radar loop. And the leading edge of that now is moving into parts of western Pennsylvania. Now notice temperatures are mostly in the 30s out ahead of this, with some 40s near the coastal plain. And we'll be down pretty close to freezing in parts of the area, especially the interior, later tonight. So not expecting a lot of precipitation tonight, just a little smattering perhaps, a couple scattered showers, some drizzle, maybe not even happening everywhere, but in some places where it does, especially well inland, you could get a little bit of icing in the form of some freezing rain or freezing rain showers. And as a result of that, the Weather Service does have out at this point, and it's about 10 after 4 as I say this, so these could change between now and tonight. But right now there's a winter weather advisory up for portions of northern New Haven and Fairfield County in Connecticut, parts of southeastern New York and northern New Jersey for tonight into early tomorrow. So again, a little touch and go. I'm going to post a link to the live radar update and current temperatures in a little while, and that'll be up all night long, so you can check that to see if it's a little dicey where you may be if you have to travel tonight or early tomorrow. The forecast maps show the dry day we had in place today. And they also show the approaching moisture from the west. So let's set these into motion and take a look. And you can see that what goes on tonight in southern New England and southeastern New York, it's pretty light and pretty scattered. And don't take these areas to be written in stone where they occur, where they don't occur. It's going to be very scattered and light. But the problem is, if you just get a trace of freezing rain, it's enough to screw up the road. So we'll have to keep an eye on that tonight. So we'll keep our eyes glued to the radar and keep an eye on the temperature as well. But as we push things up a bit more, you'll see as we go through the day Saturday, there's not really a lot of precipitation around. It will be kind of cloudy, and you might run into a passing shower or a little drizzle, but I don't expect a lot of measurable rain during the day Saturday. Temperatures will get into the 40s in most areas and not really drop Saturday night. In fact, the temperature might start to rise at some point Saturday night as this band of heavy rain approaches and the wind starts to gust out of the southeast. Now, temperatures are going to push up into the 50s on Sunday. In fact, it might even hit 60 parts of Long Island, southeastern New England, New York City. And we'll see the main event with this rain is going to come in after daybreak on Sunday. And once it gets going and comes through, it's raining pretty heavily at times right through midday. You can't even rule out some thunder in parts of the region as there's a fair amount of energy coming in with this system. And this is set for right now 1:15 in the afternoon on Sunday, and you can see this heavy area of rain that stretches all the way across eastern New York, down through New Jersey, Long Island, Connecticut, Rhode Island, much of Massachusetts, and that will continue to push east as we go through the day. It's probably not going to taper off until later Sunday, and even at that point, after it does end, it looks like we'll probably pick up an inch or two of rain. The wind also pretty gusty through midday Sunday. You're looking at potential wind gusts over 30 miles an hour, maybe even sustained at 30 miles an hour more along parts of the shore for a little while midday Sunday. And then after that tapers off later in the day, we still have this area of hangback moisture in eastern New York that has to come through. So during Sunday night, maybe a few lingering showers. And as it starts to turn colder, even though Sunday will be mild, it starts to turn colder Sunday night. Some places might see some of this lingering moisture change from rain showers over to snow showers. And then it will be colder and drier as we go into Monday and Tuesday. But late Tuesday night and early Wednesday, there could be another little touch of snow around. Again, in a little while, I'll post the link to the live radar and current temperature updates. That'll be up all night long, so you can monitor that if you need to travel. And whatever the weather, have a great weekend.